Welcome back to another episode of Project Pharaoh.
I know you like that. I know you like that. I see the girls in the club, they getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me.
I ain't seen
These
on a
rap
minute.
cats, man, they all got this style.
Project Pharaoh, we back and running. Yeah, I've been taking a little hiatus, kind of just spending time to myself, my sons, just like really like trying to plan out the next few months for what I want to do with my life, and just it's been kind of rough trying to fit all that growth into making videos as well. But I'm going to be consistent with it, so I'm thinking between dropping a video every week or every 2 weeks. If y'all want, comment down in the section below. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Yeah, I'm still kind of like juggling between the decision I want to make, but yeah. Project Pharaoh, we back and running. So I don't really know what to talk about today. I don't really know what the title would be. I think I'm gonna find it out as I keep on making this video, but I have a few clips of what I was doing over the time. I have two situations, because today is my birthday, August 10th. Also known as Pharaoh's Day. I mean, it probably don't show up in y'all's calendars, but like you gotta have special calendars like to show, that actually show this day as being on there. Pharaoh's Day, right? Am I right?
Yeah. Right.
All right.
Yeah.
Pharaoh's Day. Don't get it twisted. For real. I want y'all to guess how old I am too. I had a great birthday weekend. Last year was like not the best. I'm not really big on like, oh my God, I gotta celebrate my birthday. Like I'm not really on that, but it does feel good to have some quality people like bringing your birthday with you. So like this whole weekend, like I went to the range with a couple peoples. Got a homie that pulled up yesterday. You know what I'm saying? We tapped in for a little bit. Another homie pushed out from Lake Elsinore. You're gonna see him in the video too. Yeah, he tapped in and we had a good time. Went to the mall and shit. Didn't find nothing. We didn't find nothing, but yeah, we went out, spent time. You know what I mean? And then I'm going out to dinner tonight, so. And I'm making a video. Get to see y'all, y'all get to see me, you know what I mean? Today I want to talk about like, yeah, what's a fast way that you can start receiving? I say the quickest way to receive is to give. Like the more you give, whether that be like your time, like your money, just your energy sometimes, like that's the quickest way to receive. And that can mean like, so if you're trying to like receive like more finances, like you should probably start to give your time, like actually like organize your time and like give your time to more things that are gonna grow you in that area, which is gonna create more finances for you. People always say, I don't have time for this, but it's like if you actually sit back and just like analyze how much time you're spending on Instagram or Facebook or Tinder or TikTok, whatever the hell you're doing, YouTube, and you actually apply that time into like spending like maybe 2 hours a day or an hour a day or 3 hours a week or something like that, like you can really just start receiving what you're actually out there seeking. Anyways, yeah, speaking of giving, I want y'all to take a look. A few days ago, I took my sons. We went and did something. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but yeah, it was something that was good. And I'm sure that we are going to receive blessings because of the actions that we took. So yeah, come tap in with us. The Featherstone family. We're about to go to the park. All right, so we're headed back to the park right now. We're gonna give a bag of goods to the homeless that stay around there. Trying to teach my boys how to do the right thing. Let's get it. All right, so y'all ready to go do this? Mm-hmm. Dry, where we going? Huh? Where we going, Dry?
I made those.
You made those?
Is that bag heavy?
Kind of.
Good. Work the muscles out. That is gonna weigh no way.
Bless you. Look at what you're doing, okay? Because look at our Heavenly Father. Thank you, baby. Thank you. God bless you. Look at God sees what you're doing, Leon. Okay? He's doing it.
Okay.
He's gonna bring you. Sometimes you don't want to hear it being a little, but he still tell you something because he loves you and cares about you, okay?
I'm sorry about that.
That's okay.
All right, so I'm gonna ask you guys what we did today, and what do you think was good about what we did today?
We gave food to the homeless people, and it just helps because they don't have a lot, and then we could give them food to eat and like things to use. And that's what I think of it.
Jeriyah?
Yeah. House, and we swim in the pool.
What do you think about us giving the food to the people today? Did you like that? Hello? Look right here. You're on TV, bro. All right, so obviously he didn't feel like answering. He's kind of just like in the loop, but he participated, and he'll look back on this in a few years and be like, hey, I actually helped. I made a difference in somebody's life, no matter how big, no matter how small.
Hello, I'm in the bubble. I didn't give a picture.
Damn.
Huh?
Damn.
Huh?
playing the game of Zingo.
No. It has this. It's this the back of the box. And it shows you bird, worm, smile, kite, cake, clock, foot, dog, and goats. You gotta move this thing. You gotta move this direction to make the card. Hi. Oh, I have smile. Smile. Oh.
No one's got foot, huh?
That could be stinky. Foot stink.
I need none of them.
Hey, get that. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Go ahead, Jerry. Need a ball, though. Hey, give me that ball, boy.
You have their ball in the same spot.
All balls are in the same spot.
Not again.
Yeah, after me.
You are. You're really long. My son. No bunny. Need an apple.
Give me that apple, man. Dang. Okay. Zingo. So what y'all think of the video that y'all saw, a little compilation? I thought it was very meaningful. I like the fact that, you know, I was trying to get them to understand what they were actually doing and why they were doing it, and just to make an impact on whoever those people's lives and our lives as well. I'm just like, you know, I'm just trying to like do the right thing for them and put them on the right path to be better people in this world. Because they need more people like that, and they already have like that natural compassion inside of them, so did the right thing. All right, so I was a little video about what we did. I like to teach my kids, you know, quality things and like make sure that they kind of have a better outlook on people that are more fortunate and less fortunate than we are. Also today for my birthday, yeah, I was hanging with the homie Chris. I want to thank my other homie Chris for, you know, me spending his day with me and his girl. Kind of did a little double date thing, you know. Yeah, you know, it was cool. We went to the shooting range, you know, I got all headshots. And yeah, but today we went to the mall. It was cool. Came back, had a little birthday sesh. As you can probably tell. Giving back, I feel is the most important thing that you could do on your path to your growth. Because like the more you give, like I said, the faster you receive. And the more you receive, and the more quality anything that you give, the more quality you'll get back. See me, I feel like I'm giving to the universe because I'm making these positive videos that's actually like, I'm not saying something, I'm not trying to sell no lie or trying to sell y'all to like, you know, believe in this certain thing. It's just like, it's proof behind this. This is facts. It's just people ain't talking about it a lot. So it's like, I feel like I'm giving to the world by me making these dope videos that's like really for the benefit of everybody. Like no matter who you are, no matter what race you are, what size you are, what part of the country you live in, like, or what part of the world you live in, like it doesn't matter. Like these videos can help. And I really genuinely mean what I'm talking about. I hope all y'all doing good. I'm feeling great, man. All my new subscribers, if this is your first time watching or this is your last time watching, hit that like and subscribe, please. Like, let's grow this team. Let's build together. Should I do once a week or twice a month? So that'd be pretty much every other week. I'm still kind of going back and forth with that. So I would love if you guys would participate and like even just like telling me like, hey, once a week, or just say something once a month, bro. We don't want to see your ass all the time. Like and subscribe. Also comment down below what I should do. I want to hear y'all's feedback. Hit that like button. At the end, I'll see y'all again. This is Project Pharaoh. Pharaoh out. Oh, I forgot to cock it. Wait. It's my birthday, nigga. I forgot. It's been a minute.